South Africans are amongst the most positive people in the world, and the coronavirus pandemic will inspire the citizens of the Rainbow Nation to see business in a new way and to elevate the economy to even greater heights than ever before. Having overcome the evil apartheid system, which divides people according to their race, South Africans proved their resilience in bouncing back to hold their heads up high in economic, political, and other sectors of society, nationally and internationally. South Africans are out-of-the-box thinkers and abide by the philosophy of where there is a will, there is a way. Not even pre-democracy events such as the country's debt crisis or foreign sanctions, to post-democracy headline news such as state capture, were able to break the South African spirit. Entrepreneurship is the key figure in taking the country forward. Whether it be a service or a product that one has created, the key is to sell the offering to the big companies and to become your own boss. This will play a major role in offsetting job losses and retrenchments, as well as the global fourth industrial revolution, where man is being replaced by machine. Successful South Africans abide by the slogan of "A quitter never wins, and a winner never quits." And now the challenge is out for a new era of business rainmakers to once again show the world what South Africans are made of. That new business rainmaker could be you. Because South Africans never give up and understand that tomorrow will be brighter than today. Don't give up. Your destiny could be moments away. Alive matters, audacity matters, achievement matters. AM.CO.za.
In 2020, we celebrate 8 years in business, heading toward infinity and beyond. AM.CO.za. Achievement matters.